How to scan a Wi-Fi QR code in your laptop or PC. So we'll be showing you an example in our laptop, but it's pretty much the same process in the PC. So just follow these procedures. So once you've downloaded your QR code, it should be in the download section. So you gotta know where your QR code is beforehand so that it's easier and less hassle-free later. Now we can go ahead to our desired browser and search scanned detail decoder. As you can see here, scan details decoder, and the first link that should pop up is this, the QR code raptor.com. So you just open the first link and you should be led to something like this. So you don't have to use a camera since you've already downloaded the picture, so just get rid of that and just bring out your library over here. Find your QR code. Mine is over here in this amazing folder of QR codes, and we have our Wi-Fi code picture. Mine is over here. So just drag that here in this thingy thing section. There's a cute beep, and we'll be given the details, such as this, the Wi-Fi name, and the Wi-Fi password. So I'm pretty sure you're looking for the password. So here it is. And I suppose the password is only this 175564040. This is just more random details. But that's how you scan your QR code Wi-Fi in your laptop. So we're gonna end it there. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all. Thank you.